Arav, an 8-year-old boy, went to a magical jungle with his father. His father told him to be brave and kind. In the jungle, a parrot greeted him, saying animals could talk to those with pure hearts. Monkeys invited Arav to play, but he couldn't juggle like them. His father encouraged him to practice, and soon he could juggle 2 mangoes. An elephant taught him that strength is in kindness, and shared a fruit with him. They reached a broken bridge, and the river told Arav to look into his reflection. He saw his courage and kindness reflected back. The river then magically repaired the bridge, allowing them to cross. Arav learned that courage, kindness, and practice make any adventure possible. He returned home, his heart full of joy and wisdom,